Alright, so in this video I'll be looking at drawing page 1, part number 6. You can see that my right side view is missing, so the first thing I'm going to do is draw in my right side view. It should look something like that. And then we have this angle which would appear on my right side as a separate triangle, so something like this. In AutoCAD I'm going to start the same way I have been, with a line that comes across my top, or it comes across here, and then up. I'm going to use my offset tool. Again, you'll notice that the sizing is generally the same for all of these. I've got a height that's 2.5 and a width that's 5. So I'm going to offset. It says my width is 5, so I'm going to offset this line going to the right. Offset 2.5 going up. And then to give myself some space in between, I'm going to offset 1 inch here and 1 inch there. The depth of my part is 1.5 or 1.5. So I'm going to offset 1.5 and hit enter. I draw in this additional line in the corner, and then I click on trim, highlight everything, hit enter, and I can trim out my remaining lines, identifying the box for my top view, my front view, and my right side view. Alright, let's look back at my blueprint. I'm going to start by developing this front view. This line here is 1.25 inches up, or 1.125, so I'm going to offset 1.25. I'm going to do the same thing on my right side view. This distance is 2.5, or this line here as well, 2.5. So I'm going to offset 2.5, hit enter. I'm going to do the same thing here. This distance here, this line, is 3/4 or 0.75. So I hit offset 0.75. I'm also going to do it on this side. I'm going to use my trim tool again. Select all of my right side view as well as this line here. Hit enter, trim out that line, that completes my top view, and trim out these lines to complete my right side view. On my front view, you can see that I have this angle that starts at the top, middle, and goes down to this right side. So I'm going to use my line tool from this point down, and again from this point down. And then with my trim tool, actually I could just click on this, hit delete. I'll use my trim tool, select this line, hit enter, and trim out that line and that line. And that gives me my top, front, and right side. Again, just like the other ones, I'm going to come through here now and put my dimensions. Switch to my dimension layer. Overall width. Overall of this feature. I don't like that these are overlapping, so I'm going to hit escape. I get that blue line. It should allow me to move my dimension to a more reasonable location. Linear. Just want to verify my dimensions off my blueprint. Looks like I'm missing a dimension here for my overall height. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that would complete drawing number 6 on page 1.